Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are sick of having litter all over the place, then this litter mat from PetNova is the perfect one to get.
I have my litter box in my laundry room, and it is a constant source of grief for me to be chasing after litter everywhere, like the cats had a confetti party. But this mat has changed so many things. Those grooves, they're like little catch nets for that errant litter, and it keeps the scatter off of my floor. It is incredibly easy to clean, and I love how it has this extra large area where it traps moisture in case there was any spillage. This has been an absolute game changer in my litter space, and I couldn't be more happy with it.
This litter mat has absolutely revamped my entire litter area. It is making everything so much cleaner, and I am so happy with it. And that's my point of view.